नावेली स्पोर्टिंग क्लबान ब्रदर युलालिओ वाज मेमोरियल फुटबॉल टुर्नामेंटात गार्डियन एंजल SC कुडचडे हांका पेनाल्टी शूटआउटात 4-3 अशे गोल फरकांनी हारावन फायनलीत प्रवेश मेळयलो. बेरेस्तारा डॉन बॉस्को फातोर्डा खेळामळाचेर ही फुटबॉल सर्त बरीच रंगली. दोनूय पंगडां मदीं अटीतटीची लढत चालू आशिल्ली. गार्डियन एंजल ह्या पंगडाक विटोरिनो फेर्नांडीसा वरवीं फुडाकार घेवपाची पयली संद मेळ्ळी खरी, पूण गोल करपाक अपेस आयले. जाल्यार नावेली स्पोर्टिंग क्लबाच्या हेडर खेळपी रोनाल्डोचो लक्ष चुकलो. ही मॅच निमणे वेळा मेरेन 0-0 बरोबरीचेर उरली आनी पेनाल्टीचेर पावली. ह्या पेनाल्टीत नॅश परेरा, रोनाल्डो परेरा, नाओ लुईस आनी स्वीडन कॉस्ता हांच्यांनी नावेली स्पोर्टिंग क्लबा खातीर गोल केले. जाल्यार गार्डियन एंजल पंगडा खातीर फेजर गोम्स, रेगन कॉस्ता आनी इवो कॉस्ता हाणें पेनाल्टी रुपांतरीत केली. नाओ लुईसाक मॅन ऑफ द मॅच फावो जालो. आयतारा फायनल मॅच फोंडा फुटबॉलर्स आनी नावेली स्पोर्टिंग क्लब हांचे मदीं जातली. पळयात खेळांतले कांय खीण.
We had a very interesting match today between Naveli and Guardian Angels Sports Club, and we seen a lot of game during this time, and we both the teams were at equal, goalless, and we went into penalties with Naveli leading, and therefore we have Naveli the second semi-finals finalists, and we have the first game between first semi-finals that was played between Don Bosco and Ponda footballers, and that also was a very interesting match between the two teams, and we seen a lot of beautiful skills at that time, and Ponda footballers qualified again to the penalties, and now we have for the finals we have Ponda footballers and Naveli Sports Club, and I invite you all for this grand event which is held in the name of Brother Ilalio Vaz. This is the 24th edition of Brother Ilalio Vaz, and I welcome you all to Don Bosco's Fatorda. Don't miss the game. It's the finals. Welcome.
Father, when it is the final?
Finals is on 23rd Sunday at 4:30.
Bureau Report, Gomantak TV.